Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Lynette with the Skid Caddy. I am the head soap lady here, or one of them I should say. Thank you so much for joining us again today on another soap making adventure. We are making one of our Valentine soaps. So we're doing a few things a little bit different this year. We are not going to be doing monthly. We're going to be doing soaps every month, but we're not going to be doing like the monthly themes that we did last year. We might do a few holidays. We're not going to be doing the birthstones. Those just were not a good seller for us. We thought that we anticipated they were going to be a really good seller, and they weren't. And while I'm talking to you, I'm going to go ahead and add my Lye Solution to my oils because I'm doing a heat transfer method, and I need to get all that heat from my lye water in here to be able to melt my oils. I've got all my oils in here. Today we're doing a palm-free recipe. So I have my cocoa butter, and I have apricot kernel oil, and then olive oil, castor oil, and coconut oil. So, and then to my water, it was just distilled water and a little bit of sugar to help with bubbles. And once we get this all mixed up, we're going to be adding some powder, some additives to this. If you guys have been with me for a red hot second, you know that we always add kaolin clay and colloidal oats. And one thing I've noticed that I really loved, I tried a bar of soap that had coconut milk in it, and it just made it so creamy and wonderful that I just couldn't resist putting it in my next batch of Valentine soap. Okay, so our oils are almost melted all the way. We are going to, I'm going to try to double task here. We're going to be making a soap with one of our most loved and most requested. It's the Love Spell dupe. It's Loving Spell by Nature's Garden. And we're going to be doing, hopefully, if I can do this, a red and a pink. This stuff is known to loosen up your batter, so I'm hoping it will. Sometimes with the heat transfer method, it does get a little bit thick. So I'm going to be doing a red, and my red is actually a water-soluble dye, a concoction that I made. I had a huge order of peppermint bath bombs for Christmas, and we could not get the red that we wanted with a mica, so I decided to make my own red. And so I used a bunch of different reds, some pinks, some reds, maybe even a little purple, and made our own version of red. So we're going to try that today. I've never tried it in soap, so we'll see what happens. And then I'm thinking I'm just going to do an in the pot swirl. And then I was thinking on the top, now don't judge me because these are horrible looking, but these are little soaps, and I tried to multicolor them. I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. With the pink and the red, and I thought maybe I put some roses on there. And then we're also going to be making gift sets for Valentine's Day that will be available in the next week or so. That will have a bath bomb that will have the same flower on the top and be pink, or be red and white, or pink and white, whatever we decide we're going to do. And then we'll have a lotion that will be in the same scent, as well as the soap. So that will be a lovely gift. It'll be come in a little box, and it'll be all ready for you to give to your loved one. So we're going to go ahead and get this stick blended and get these pieces mixed up, and we'll get soaping. sprinkled with glitter. All right. Whew. So this is our Love Spell soap. And we will be back in about 18 hours for the cut. For you, it'll only be a second. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, everybody, we're back. We're going to cut the Love Spell Valentine's Day soap. Let me just show you this again really quick. I think it turned out really cute. I'm excited to see what's on the inside. And it's been about 18 hours. And oh, you look at that, how good that came out. Nice and crisp sides. That's what the side looks and the top. And hopefully I'm going to be able to get a little bit off the edge. Okay, that's an M piece. Let's see if we can get this in between here. So we have a little bit of muddling. Looks like some of the color didn't incorporate very well. We'll see what happens. Might have to make another batch. See, in soap making, it's not all fun and games. So overall, I think it turned out pretty. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.